Hello YouTube, quick video on how to put a lights on warning buzzer onto one of your Brazilian built VW Campervans. They're so basic they don't come with anything like that, and you may come back to a flat battery one time. So dead easy, just get yourself a buzzer. I'll put a link in the description below, the one I used. There's millions out there, but essentially they've got a positive and a negative wire going to it. You may need to extend them. Put the positive wire to the side light switch and put the negative wire to something that goes earth when you take the key out. So in my case, you can either use the horn or the heated rear window. So dead easy. So ignition on, lights work fine, ignition off, that's when you get the buzz. Okay, I'll put some links in the description, dead easy, don't overthink it, just 2 wires into the fuse box, and I'll put a link, or I'll put a picture of the fuse box below. Thanks, cheers, bye.